Which natural resource is renewable? Answer C. Solar energy. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Answer B. Stratosphere. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. True. Icebergs are made of salt water. That's false. Icebergs form from compacted snow and glaciers, made of fresh water, not salt water. Which continent has the most tropical rainforests? Answer C. South America. Earth's tilt is responsible for the changing seasons. Think it over and comment your answer.